Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index option today. Now the market had opened and the price is trading at 10,735. We can go and select the put option with a strike of 10,650, and you can buy this put option if the price is moving above 22. If the price is moving above 22, you can buy this put option, expecting that the Nifty index futures or the Nifty will break 10,720, or else what you can do, wait for the price to clear this low of 10,710, and then you can buy the put option. Two things you can do: below 10,710, you can wait for the futures price to go below 10,710, and you can buy the put option. Else you can leave the market for today. This is let's see how this is working out. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Bye.